So go tell your auntie, your mother, your cousin, your sister, your brother, your baby mama, cousin, sister, friend.
That bitch.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kia Cole and I'm back with a video. So welcome. You are new to my channel. What is up?
What is up?
You might as well hit that subscribe button right now, the one right there below. And if you are returning, what's up, girl? And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. I wanted to give a shout out to everyone who sees my videos as soon as I post them. The other day, someone posted hashtag notification gang in one of my videos and it made me so proud. I was so happy. So if you are a notification watcher, just hashtag notification gang in the description below. I mean, not in the description. Hashtag notification gang in the comment below so I know that it is you. I have about 4 or 5 viewers who always watch my videos as soon as I post. I see you out there. But yes, so we're gonna jump right into this video. Today, y'all. Y'all ain't ready for it. Y'all ain't ready for it.
Back your neck and your back. Cause we off the chain like the motherfucker just back in the game.
Today we will be reviewing and trying on a wig. It's gonna be a wig video today, y'all. So y'all know I gotta come through with my wigs. It's not this one. If you are new, you know it ain't this one. I done had this on probably about 4 or 5 videos now. And if you are liking my earrings, these are from my collection, RTK collection, and we just restocked. So if you are feeling them, just make sure you check it out. My website is rtk.com and I will post all of the information in the description below. But yeah, support a sister. I have a wig here that I am going to review. This is not a sponsored video. Let me just say that. This is from Braids Queen. As you know, I'm always buying something because I see it on Instagram as an advertisement, but once I checked out, it's like, it's nonstop. So hopefully I'm one of those girls that y'all see on the advertisement that they're gonna start using my video and I'm be like, hey, that's me, y'all see me on the advertisement. So Braids Queen, y'all can use my video as an advertisement promotion. I would truly appreciate it, but run me my check afterwards, okay? But anywho, or you can refund me for this wig or send me another free wig. What's up? So this is it, y'all. I always wanted one of these. I see everybody getting their hair braided and they plaits for quarantine, and I want to go get mine done, but the way this forehead set up, it ain't gonna look good. So I decided to purchase this. I was mad because I wanted a black one, but it was sold out. And this is the 1B30. So this is the color. This is the style that I chose. They have other different options on their website. You don't necessarily have to get this style. But I really wanted this one. I thought it was really cute. The bone was already there. I think I kind of messed it up a little bit. So I wrapped it back around. It has a band. Wow, I love these wigs with these bands because I could just slap them on and slap them off. I'm not a glue girl, but if you want it secure, you could put the glue. But this is how the inside looks. So that's the, I guess you could call it a closure. And then it has combs to support. And then it got another comb in the back. And then it also has like the little drawstring things where you can adjust it and make it tighter. So this is really good because they don't do all those measurements and all of that. They just ask you what color you want and then you put it in your cart. So yeah. And then it got the little baby hairs right here. These look like a different kind of texture. I don't know what this is, but this is the baby hairs in the front. And yeah, and I think it's 30 inches. No, I'm not sure because this don't look like 30, but it's pretty long, but it's very nice. So I'm gonna put this on for y'all, but let me go a little bit closer so you can see one more time how this part look. Y'all look at that, that is so pretty, like, ooh. And these look like something I braided in the back, but you can't see that part. Yeah, I don't know what that is. You can't go too close in there. You can't go all the way in there and see all of that, but that's how that look in the inside of there. So I'm gonna put this on so y'all can see how it looks. And yeah, it's not gonna be like a real tutorial install. If you want to know how to install a lace wig, I do have a lace wig video that I installed last week, so check out my videos. Okay, the original price was $219.80, but on the website it has it crossed out, so this is pretty much a sale. It's $109.90. Now, you know I'm the coupon queen. Y'all, you could get a coupon for whatever you want. You just have to look for it. Don't let them fool you with that little 15% off coupon that they have on their website, so 10% coupon. I was able to go on Google and I believe I found a 20% off coupon, so my total came out to like $87. So yeah, that's a steal. $87 for a braided wig, that's a lace wig, like come on. Just a few details of this wig. Nylon fiber, hand braided, realistic cornrow braids, ultra soft Swiss lace wig, 13x5 lace area. It's not heavy at all. The bun can be taken down, but I'm not taking mine down no time soon. And they also included a wig cap. Y'all, what is up, Braids Queen? Because everybody else be putting a little pencil or some little clips. Y'all, thank you. Because I ain't got to go buy one. Just jump right into it and you guys stay tuned. Bye! All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Y'all look like I just went to the African ladies to get my hair braided. What's up? Ooh, y'all see me? Ooh, yes. Like, this is so cute. I'm loving it. I ain't have to sit down for, how long y'all be waiting to get y'all braids done? It is so cute, and the color like sets it off. I was a little scared and nervous about the color, but everything looks good. Like, it looks like it just came out of my scalp. Like, I just really got my hair braided. What's up? Okay, Braided Queen, and it was a good price. I was always scared because you know how you see those braided wigs and you're not sure about the back. So let me show y'all the back how it looks. Let me show y'all how it looks in the back. In the back, what's up? Y'all, I'm a whole mood right now. It's too hot. It don't feel heavy. Like, it barely feels like I have anything on. Like, your hair not tight. You don't have a headache. You don't have them little braid bumps in the front. Like, all that is out the window.
Period, fool.
Like, who? You ain't gotta sit there for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hours while she keeps stopping and she gotta go feed her kids and she get on the phone. You know them braid stylists who just take forever. They take about 2 days to braid your hair. You ain't gotta do all that because you got a wig now. You can just throw this thing on. And the plus part, you know how you be going to little pool parties in the summer? I don't think y'all going nowhere in the summer, but if we had to visualize what we going in the summer, you know how they had little pool parties or whatever, you ain't got to put on your wig and look like, why she got on that wig? Like them curl, like your curly hair, your straight hair, you gonna have on some braids and they gonna be like, oh, sis, her hair real cute, what's up? Yes, they ain't gonna talk about you then because you gonna have your braids in. But yes, Braided Queen. Honey, you got me looking like a real queen on the throne over here. Coming to America. Hey. Y'all know I'm crazy, but so let me try to show y'all the length. My dog moving the camera, but this is the length. Y'all don't mind my bottoms. This is the length. It goes all the way down to my waist. So yes, 30 inches. Pull. But yeah, so you guys leave a comment in the description below. Let me know what y'all think. Is it cute or not? Like, it don't even look like a wig. Like, what's up? I'm trying to zoom in, but I want to go too close because then y'all gonna start being like,
girl, it look like a wig. You know, you get on top of somebody's head and you be all investigating. Don't do all that. But
it's cute. Let me see if I can get in a little bit closer. But I had to cut the baby hairs off. I wasn't feeling the baby hairs, so I just cut them off altogether. But if you like baby hairs, you can go ahead. I'm not really good with the whole swoop thing, so that's out the window. I'ma practice though. I'm getting there. But that's all I have for today, you guys. I hope you were feeling this video. Once again, this was not a sponsored video. I see nothing really wrong with this wig. Like, everything is intact. Everything is 100%. The price was right. Like, whoo. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. I hope you guys are feeling this video. Thank you guys for all of the love and support. You guys have a good one. Peace.